Samsung's Galaxy G Fold is shaping up to be the most ambitious foldable device yet. Not just another Z Fold refresh, but an entirely new category. The world's first tri-fold smartphone that expands into a 10.1-inch tablet-sized display. Unlike the Z Fold lineup where black bars disrupt the viewing experience, this device embraces a proper tablet aspect ratio that makes video consumption and multitasking far more natural. Samsung has completely reworked the software to match the new form factor, introducing a feature called Split Trio, which allows 3 apps to run side by side, either vertically or horizontally, with each app getting enough real estate to actually be useful. This fixes one of the biggest complaints about today's foldables, where multiple apps feel cramped and impractical. Another smart addition is the ability to mirror up to 3 home screens from the cover display onto the main screen, a clear productivity upgrade over the Z Fold 7, which only allows 2. Samsung has also confirmed through official videos that the G Fold includes wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and NFC, ensuring it doesn't skip the flagship essentials despite the new design. There is one caveat though. You'll need to close the phone before charging wirelessly. Talking about the hardware, leaks from One UI builds suggest that the G Fold will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, though not the next-gen 8 Elite Gen 5, while cameras are expected to be carried over from the Z Fold 7 with no major upgrades. S Pen support, something many were hoping for on a tablet-sized device, seems unlikely. Adding a digitizer layer to 3 panels would increase thickness by around 2 mm, which is why Samsung skipped it on the Z Fold 7 as well. As for the weight, leaks suggest around 296 grams, heavier than the Z Fold 7's 215 grams, but still reasonable given the trifold construction. Market availability remains a question mark. Early reports suggested South Korea and China would be the only regions to get the device. But according to rumors, Samsung is still evaluating other markets, including the US. A global launch seems unlikely given the high cost and niche appeal, but limited rollouts are possible. Pricing is equally steep, with analysts and leaks pointing to around $3,000 for the first-generation model due to limited production. Over time, once yields improve, this could come closer to $2,500, but early adopters will pay a premium. Recent leaks now reports that Samsung has delayed the launch from September 29th to sometime between October and November. With XR glasses also on the horizon for early next year, Samsung is clearly plotting a new era of foldable and extended reality devices, and the Galaxy G Fold looks set to lead the charge at a price tag of roughly $3,000 with an expected release window later this year.